Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export a song in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now we have two options, so we can export as a full finished song or we can export as individual tracks. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now you see here at the top right corner share button. So if you don't see it yet, you can do it here if you press on these three horizontal dots in a circle, then customize control bar, and then we go here to the modes, I think other, and you can toggle on export button and you will see it right in this toolbar. Okay, now that we have that, click on export button. Now what you're going to do here is, if you want to export in WAV, you will use uncompressed. You can also, here at the right, you will see this blue icon. You can click on that and you have a little bit more information about file type, and then you have bitrate, sample rate, and so on. Okay, the same thing is with the compressed file. And yeah, now to export the whole song, you will just press here export, and it will go pretty nice, so you will get it in WAV format. Now if you want to export as individual audio files, what you need to do here at the bottom, you just need to switch on this slider here, so export all tracks as individual audio file, and that's pretty much it. This will export as every voice will be separate, so you can modify it later if you want. So this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.